Welcome to my Basic Mechanical Engineering playlist. Today I am going to explain types of fossil fuels. So first of all, see outline of this session. First, what is fossil fuels? Then we will see classification of fuels. So let's start from the first point. What is fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are made from decomposing plants and animals. Here you can see decomposing plants and animals. These fuels are found in the earth crust and contain carbon and hydrogen, which can be burned for energy. Coal, oil, and natural gas are examples of fossil fuels. These fuels are formed by natural processes such as anaerobic decomposition of buried dead organisms. Here you can see, which contain organic molecules that release energy in combustion. Such organisms and their resulting fossil fuels typically have an age of millions of years and sometimes more than 650 million years. So it takes much more time. Now see types of fuels. So fuels are generally classified in three broad categories based on physical existence, based on origin, and as alternative fuels. Now let's see the first one. Based on physical existence, fuels are further classified as solid fuels, liquid fuels, and gaseous fuels. And here you can see solid fuel as a coal, and liquid fuel as a oil, and gaseous fuel as a natural gas. Based on origin, further fuels are classified as natural or primary fuel and artificial or secondary fuel. So now look at these two different categories of the fuel. Solid fuel as well as natural fuel. So wood, peat, coal are considered as a solid fuel as well as natural fuel. Coal is further classified as lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. Now next, petroleum or crude oil is considered as a liquid fuel as well as natural fuel. Next, natural gas, that is considered as a gaseous fuel as well as natural fuel. So you know that natural fuel, that means it is naturally available, and that's why it is called as primary fuel. Whereas artificial fuel is derived from the natural fuel by means of the process, so that it is called as secondary fuel. So now see, wood charcoal, coke, briquette coal, pulverized coal are considered as a solid fuel as well as artificial fuel. Next, petrol, sometimes known as gasoline, then kerosene, diesel, tar, alcohol. So these are the fuels which are liquid fuel as well as artificial fuel. And then coal gas, coke oven gas, producer gas, water gas, blast furnace gas are considered as a gaseous fuel as well as artificial fuel. So look at these different types of the artificial fuel once again. So these all fuels are actually derived from the primary fuel, and that's why are called as secondary fuel. Next, alternative fuels. So CNG, that means compressed natural gas, LPG, that means liquefied petroleum gas, hydrogen gas, biofuel are considered as a alternative fuels. Although these are the fossil fuels, but they are considered as an alternative of these fuels. So write your valuable feedback on the comment box for motivating me to make more videos. Thanks for watching this video.